Ever feel like stress is overwhelming your life? Ever wonder if meditation can be the antidote? It's no secret that our modern world is filled with pressures and demands that can sometimes feel unbearable. Stress, that unwelcome guest, can sneak into our lives, disrupting our peace and balance. It can affect our physical health, mental well-being, and even the quality of our relationships. But what if there was a simple, accessible way to combat this stress? Enter meditation, a practice as old as time, yet perfectly suited for our contemporary challenges. Meditation offers a refuge, a space to breathe, relax, and reconnect with our inner calm. It's like a personal retreat that we can access anytime, anywhere. Studies have shown that regular meditation can significantly reduce stress, boost mood, and even improve sleep. Today, you will learn simple meditation techniques that can help manage your stress. So let's embark on this journey to tranquility and balance. Before we delve into meditation techniques, it's crucial to understand what meditation is. At its core, meditation is a practice that dates back thousands of years. It started as a means to deepen understanding of the sacred and mystical forces of life in Eastern traditions. Over time, it has evolved into a tool for relaxation and stress reduction. Meditation is not about silencing the mind, as many may believe. Rather, it's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. It's not about turning off your thoughts or feelings. You're not trying to become a blank slate. Instead, you're learning to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Why is this important, you may ask? Well, when we meditate, we cultivate the ability to choose which thoughts to engage with and which to let go. This can significantly reduce stress and improve our mental well-being. Now that we have a basic understanding of meditation, it's time to learn some techniques. The first technique we will explore today is the 5-minute breathing technique, a simple yet effective method. This practice is all about taking a quick break from the hustle and bustle of life to center your mind and body. To begin, find a quiet spot where you can be alone for just 5 minutes. Take a seat in a comfortable position, whether that's cross-legged on a cushion, upright in a chair, or even laying down. Let your body relax and close your eyes. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air coming in through your nose, filling up your lungs, and then slowly leaving your body. Try to breathe in a steady, rhythmic pattern. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 7, and exhale for a count of 8. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Simply acknowledge the thought and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, the key is to focus on your breath and let go of distracting thoughts. The second technique we will discuss is the 5-minute body scan technique, another powerful tool for stress relief. This technique invites you to tune into your body, to reconnect with your physical presence, and to let go of any tension you might be holding on to. Start by taking a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you wish and take a few deep breaths. Now turn your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations there and allow any tension to dissolve as you exhale. From here, gradually move your focus down through your body. Your face, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, chest, abdomen, legs, and finally, your feet. As you scan each part, acknowledge any sensations or discomfort and exhale any tension away. This practice of mindful awareness can help you connect with your body, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. By focusing on different parts of your body, you can release stress and gain a sense of relaxation. Now that you have learned these 2 simple 5-minute meditation techniques, it's time to put them into practice. Let's recap. First, we discovered the 5-minute breathing technique. This technique encourages you to focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling deeply, to create a sense of calm and focus. Remember, it's all about being present and mindful of your breathing. Next, we dove into the 5-minute body scan technique. This method invites you to focus on different parts of your body, from your toes to the crown of your head, and to release any tension you may find along the way. Both of these techniques are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. They can be done anywhere, anytime. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. All you need is 5 minutes and a commitment to your well-being. Remember, the journey to stress relief begins with a single breath. Start your journey today.